Decided to vlog today's event. Me and my friend Brittany is going to some food fair. It's called SMORGASBURG or something like that, I don't know, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's someplace in Brooklyn and I'm actually mad late. I'm not even out my house yet, so yeah, so I'm gonna hurry up, finish getting ready, and then I'll get back to y'all. I'm actually
Yo, look at how many people. Damn.
We're finally here. No, it's not my fault.
Yeah.
But it does look hella packed in there.
Which way is it? Oh, it's okay.
I'm gonna turn it. Let me see. I could get the sign. Let me get the sign first.
What's that?
Huh?
Yeah.
It's this one?
Ice cold water, ice cold water, ice cold water.
Oh my gosh. Ooh.
Emma. I'm so excited to eat.
Did you see? You guys, we got our first little thing.
Lobster roll.
Lobster roll.
I'm so excited.
This thing was like $20 though, like $20 for this little thing.
It's okay. It's okay.
I make money moves.
Can I eat it now?
Yeah. What?
The waffle thing that everyone's
With the ice cream thing? Yeah. They do that. Y'all, so I had to give Brittany my lobster roll thing because it tastes so bad.
No, you're just not used to it.
No.
Like, lobster's mad good.
Bro, it tastes like it's tossed in red raw eggs or something.
Nah.
It tastes.
Watch the next time we together, I'm gonna take her to a good spot.
Alright,
Take you
whatever.
to a good spot.
But anyway, look at this. This is what I've really been looking forward to. I can't. Oh my god, I can't. What is this? Oh, this is the mango with, what's it called? Some red chili.
Chili pepper.
They threw this shit on there, but it's mad good. It's mad good.
So
Not
is
that.
this.
That tastes mad weird.
No, it doesn't.
Ooh, let me show you where we at. Nice. We're right by the water. Alright, yo. We're gonna get food again? Oh, it's like dessert and food again? Yo,
Remember, you're choosing.
No, I'm bad at choosing, clearly.
You can pick a meat place, like a place to like
Chicken?
yeah, or burger or ribs.
I saw some chicken. I think it was called John's Chicken or what?
Oh, those chicken wing things?
They got some buffalo wings in there. I'm be out here bodying them. Snapchat, not Snapchat. I don't do Snapchat no more. Instagram needs to see this.
Oh, this is mad good.
Wonder if you are in the camera. Round 2. Hold on, what we got?
Here, hold on.
Let me see what we got. I'm gonna show y'all what we got, guys. What I got again? Oh, I got a chicken adobo. That's what it was, right? Yeah, chicken adobo taco. They got hella extra shit on there. It look good though. What you got, Brittany?
I have
I'm a dead zoomer.
a
Yeah.
spicy tuna and chipotle shrimp.
Lighting on my camera still. Oh, we hit the sun? Brittany! It's cute. Y'all need to see this view. Hold on. Woo! Ooh, at least the sun going down. She already started eating. This looks so good. Oh my god. Brittany's gonna end this vlog with us.
Alright. So I'm sorry. Wait, what are we doing? What?
Oh, let me show them. Why it look like it's so far away? Well, now they're far away. It was so Alright, so now Brittany's really gonna end the vlog, right?
We ended our journey. This was fun. This was fun. Like we're coming back here again. If you're from New York, you have to do this. Have cash. How much did we spend?
Too much. Like,
how much did we spend?
The first 30 minutes.
40. Like 40. About 40. Okay, 50.
It's been more than
Let's say 50.
The first 30 minutes I spent $29.
I spent 24. Yeah, okay. So have like $50.
Yeah.
If you're gonna be here longer than 3 hours, have like $100.
For real, because you're always gonna feel like eating. No lie.
Yeah, it's so many options.
Like seriously, no lie. You're gonna want to eat everything.
Basically, like I want to come back and eat more.
Oh my god. What's the name of this place? Smorgasburg?
Smorgasburg.
Yeah, Smorgasburg. Yeah, it's in
Basically,
Brooklyn.
that's what I'm doing.
For real, and it's right by the water, so it's
Every weekend.
till the end of September.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can still come here. It's like mad fun.
Come when you have a day off work. And it's a perfect date. Be single. Go with each other. But if not, go with a date.
Alright, I think that's where we're gonna end this vlog, guys. Bye! This is fun!